friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new, welcome. Sorry if you hear tots playing in the background. I usually film while my daughter is taking a nap. I have a little special guest here with me. As you know from the video, this is a BoxyCharm unboxing. Literally unboxing because I haven't had the time to actually open it. So let's get to it. So the first thing that was in my box, well, the first thing that I noticed was this Blink Glow Getter Face palette. Look at that. Bronzer, blushes, and all that. I'm going to give this away in my giveaway, so I don't really want to tamper with it. But just know it's a face palette, which goes for $50, which is actually overpriced of the Boxy box, which is $25 a month. So you get one of this for, you know, $50, where you can get 2 months of BoxyCharm for $25. Pick your battles, sis. Pick your battles. We have the Elena Bardo. Oh, please, if I'm saying this wrong, I'm sorry. Baby blue set. I'm sure it's brushes, and this goes for $58. And they're baby blue brushes inside. These are so cute. It's 3 brushes inside. I'm gonna give these away because I have so many brushes. No, baby, you can't play with me. Next, we have the Dr. Bandit Triple Antioxidant Cream. Looks like that. I'm gonna also give this away in my giveaway as well. Goes for $46. saintluxebeauty brow gel. This is what I use on like a no makeup look. Well, not no makeup, but actually no makeup. I use this to like tame my brows, to give like a soap brow type no filler look. And I usually use the Anastasia, and it's just clear. It's good hold. Hopefully this one holds good. I'm gonna keep this one for myself. And it goes for $22. Almost forgot to say that. Insert my name. I usually use these hair. Oh, hey, Mimi. Ah, thank you. This is to tame your brows. Oh my goodness. This is to not to tame your brow, but to tame your hair. There you go. Enter my name here. And that one goes for $22 if I'm not mistaken. Smells like, I don't know, it's a strong smell like glue. But it's supposed to, you know, for the flyaways, helps it stick. Not sure if this is gonna be good for black hair, but if you have straight hair, wig, whatever, this will help. But that's all that I got in my base box of BoxyCharm box. You get 5 items for $25 a month. You can also go month to month if you know you can't afford it the next month. But there you guys have it. You guys have a good weekend. You guys stay blessed. Until next video. Bye, friends.